Oh, baby, you know it like a poet, baby. Self-service, eat 'em up,
The lightning bolt is on.
Y'all know me since 93, now let that weed burn. Back in this bench, Clapper Smith, it's the return of the super sperm. Game over, lose a turn. Takes a germ to kill a germ. One way y'all killers learn. You're only as good as your last hit. Soon as you put them automatics on safety, that's it. How come the bastards? How come the ratchets? Till you blasted, the outcome ashes to ashes. We made classic, bring you a upper sound. You either up or down, don't get that ass kicked. Y'all niggas fuck around. Y'all only jump around the crowd, scared to bust around. Don't get that ass kicked. What part of the game is this? I came to break bread. Evidently I kill this game the bitch, nigga. So who you with, nigga? Don't even trip, nigga. Some say they pull trigger, I think they bullshit. I just begun to fight. If mommy like daddy go, then daddy might get him something tonight. Give me my limelight.